That's a good call. Shahid Afridi was just on his heels a little bit. Imran Nazir is a very exciting player, got a lot of good shots.
Be as natural as possible.
Well, that's beautifully stroked into the gap. Long chase for Jadeja. Oh, that one swung very late. Gave the keeper absolutely no chance at all there.
Yes, we...
Well, that's an excellent shot. Hit right off the middle of the bat. Well, there's the slower ball, and Imran Nazir has fallen for it. That's a very well disguised slower ball from Ajidar Gurkha. Short of second slip. And despite the efforts of Kumble, away to the boundary for 4. Younas Khan off the mark. Well, he's thumped that one. That might have been the change of pace. And maybe he'll put that away for quite some time when Afridi's on strike.
Down the wicket he goes, smashes it into the gap on the onside. That will go for 4. Well, we've just been saying, into the gap for right off the middle of the bat. Uppishly played, mind you. Short extra cover might have been in business. Oh, that's over the top. I think we know what Shahid Afridi is going to be doing. He has decided that there's no way in the world that he's going to let Anil Kumble.
And now's his chance.
Oh, he's got him. No, no, he hasn't. Yes, he has. Yes, he has. He's got him. He's got him okay.
Both teams playing with desperation.
That's played nicely. He's used Kumble's space and found the gap on the offside. And that's a good hit. Good way to get off the mark. He's cleared the boundary quite comfortably in Zamam. And this time Younas Khan goes for the big one. The result is the same. And pulled away this time. He finds the boundary again. So 10 runs coming off the last 2 balls. And just the momentum.
Joshi, left arm orthodox spin. And oh, good shot, straight over the top. First ball and 6. Well, that's 121 for 3 now. Yusuf Yohana has arrived at the crease. Just when Pakistan look as if they're going to really get going, they're losing wickets, and it's not helping their cause.
That's played late and very cleverly by Yohana. And that's pulled away into the gap. So 50 for Inzamam. And he's held this Pakistan innings together.
Good shot to bring it up with too. Just nicely eased through the offside. There's a sweeper out there. 71 balls for Inzamam, 1 4 and 2 6s.
After losing twice, batting first. I don't think he's quite got it in the middle, but he's got enough of it. Well, that's well placed. Well, that's beautifully struck. Chase there for Rahul Dravid, and he can't get there. Oh, he's got that one away, miles over mid-off. Oh, he's gone straight this time. That one didn't have the elevation, but it certainly... Oh, that's a very good shot. The placement was critical there. Oh, that's a good shot. Charging towards the 100 here in Zamam. This has been a very powerful display. Oh, he's hit straight and hit powerfully again. He really does get that bottom hand. Long chase for Rahul Dravid, and he can't get there again. That'll be 100 for Inzamam. A brilliant knock with 5 sixes. Pakistan 228 for 3 after 45.
7 fours. And he's not finished with them yet. These two really are taking him to the clean. Oh, he's hit that one into the gap. Flat as a tack. One bounce over the fence for 4. Bit of a gap down there at mid-wicket. Well, straight down the ground. Beautiful shot. One bounce. 2 bounces and over. Cannot hit them straighter than that. Richards, oh, he's hit that one. He's hit that one. It's going, it's going, it's gone. Long way. Oh, that's much better. He's timed that beautifully. 1 bounce for 4. That's better. Oh, maybe better off that Yusuf Yohana gets a strike. Yeah, he hasn't been out there for that much time. Let's just have a quick look at the card.
Oh, that's beautifully placed. Threaded the needle on that occasion and right off the middle. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Outfield is not over quick. And a good chase. Chance for Wakar, and he's grabbed it. Looked like he might have just changed pace a little bit. Oh, that's brilliant timing. Mid-off thought he was going to get there. It was almost an unbelievable save. Oh, and he's gone right through him. Great piece of bowling from Wasim Akram. And boy, didn't he want that wicket badly.
Is out. Sachin Tendulkar bowled by Wasim Akram, 20 for 2.
Oh, and he's gone, he's out, caught behind, Wakar Younas.
And this one just leaving the left-hander late. Joshi was eyeing the onside. Only.
That's well struck. That one's much more off the meat of the bat. Oh, he picked that one early, the slower ball, and a lovely flick of the wrist. Oh, that's a lovely shot. That'll be 4. Good over for India, this one. Edged and taken by Mohan Khan.
And that's driven nicely. He's found the gap on this occasion and the boundary. That's gone. Wakar Younas has struck. He's got the outside edge of Hazard.
I bowled him. He's bowled him. Beautiful delivery. I think that was an off-cutter. Wakar again. Down the leg side. Oh, that's bias. That's bias. That is a full toss. It stayed down. He's also one of the beneficiaries. Down the ground. Oh, just over his head. Just over his head. I don't think he picked it. Wasim Akram didn't pick that one.
That's the aerial route taken by Sabah Karim, but he cannot clear the boundary. Very well judged catch in the deep by Yunus Khan. Up they go for the catch. The finger goes up as well.
The Mohammed Azruddin wicket, the fourth one. There we go. A big nick and nicely taken by Mohan Khan. There it is. Bowls him! Bowl him! He's got five! He's got five! Good performance this was. It really was.